What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael, also known as North Established, and in this video we're going to be going out in the streets of New York City shooting around with the Sony A7IV. Yes, I finally upgraded cameras. If you guys follow my Instagram, I posted a story last month where I was upgrading cameras. So yeah, I went from the Sony A7 III to the A7 IV, and yeah, I'm super excited to shoot with this camera because this is gonna be my main camera when I go to Japan. Well, actually, by the time I'm recording this intro, I've just came back from a month-long trip from Japan. So if I look kind of tired and exhausted, it's because I'm still fighting the jet lag. So yeah, fun. But I don't want to get too much talking, guys. When I get to the video, stay tuned to the end of the video. I have more information about some Japan content, and also I'm going to be selling some prints as well too for the holiday season. So if you want to get some more information, stay to the end of the video. All right, let's get into it. Huh? Nice camera. Oh, thanks. too obvious. Easy. Easy. Usually I have to take off my bag and change up my lenses, but I gotta do this. Look at that, quick and easy. I love this bag so much. Whew. Here we go. Shooting at 17 mil. Traffic coming in a second. All right, here we go. Gotta wait. Those falling asleep on the wheel. Bro, where you going? Let's see. How am I gonna do this? This way? Nice. Ooh, got another one. Oh, the bike got him a shot. That actually would have been a okay, you know what? I'll try to make it work. I'll try to make it work.
No.
Switching back to the Tamron 2875. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Some painting shots. I'll go to F9.
It's showing 6 minutes walk versus the map. So what?
Oh, I keep missing focus. Alright, so you know what? I'm gonna be a responsible shooter and go back up to. I'll go to 1/10 of a second. That's pretty cool. Not trying to get any long exposures. Kind of want to just do a simple shot. There's a bike here, so. That was not the best shot. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And I want to give a big shout out to K&F for also sending me the Sling Bag test out. And I gotta say, I absolutely love this Sling Bag. I was looking for something more minimalistic to carry with me in Japan, because right now it is the current, the peak of monsoon season. So it's going to be hot, humid and sweaty, and I don't want to carry too much on my back. So having this sling bag made a huge difference. And if you guys want the sling bag too, I'll leave a link down below in the description down below so you can go check it out yourself. It's like $33, $35 US dollars. It's really inexpensive. So if you want to check it out down below in the description. As well as I do have some news about Japan content, because again, I just came back from Japan, so I'm really tired. And I wanted to film this intro real fast for this video to come out today. So yeah, I have a lot of content for Japan coming up. I have about 6 to 8 videos for this trip, and it's a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna be very busy editing these videos, all these photos, and I look forward to you guys to watching it, because this is a step up from what I did last time, and I cannot wait for you guys to watch it. Unfortunately, it won't be up until November, but that's for real reasons why, because I got some plans for prints coming out soon. I have a lot of photo prints, a photo print store on my website coming out soon. So I'm super excited for that, and photo books for next year. There's just so much going on now because I'm just doing so much for my channel and for the content, and it's a lot. But I'll have more updates if you follow my IG, you know, also post here on the group community tab here on YouTube. So just keep a note for that as well. And yeah, I'm excited for Japan. I'm excited for you guys to watch the content. I really am. If you guys want to see the photos that I've taken so far, you guys can follow my IG right over here or down below in the description below, so you can follow me for more photos and things like that. So yeah, but until next time, guys, I will see you in the next New York City POV video. I have a lot more projects to go up for October, and then in November, Japan starts. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.